AI 101, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when we teach computers to act in ways that seem intelligent, similar to human behavior. Instead of just following instructions, AI can learn from experiences and make decisions based on that learning. How do computers learn? AI uses data to learn and recognize patterns. For example, showing thousands of apple pictures helps AI identify apples. Types of AI. Narrow AI is specialized for specific tasks like recommendations. General AI would perform any intellectual task a human can do. AI is all around us, from voice assistants to personalized movie recommendations. It's integrated into our daily lives more than we realize. AI is making significant impacts in various fields. Doctors use AI for early disease detection, while farmers utilize it for more efficient food production. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you gained a better understanding of artificial intelligence and its importance in our lives.